I'm back with another tutorial for Microsoft Excel. This is a follow-up video that I told you I would send you. I know a lot of students were asking me about how to best add in their data analysis paragraph in the same file so it's all in one place, and I'm going to show you how to do that here. I've automatically gone into my OneDrive file. I have open up the program. Currently, you can see I'm in Excel Online. If I try to insert here, I don't see that I have that available. I'm looking for a text box. So I'm just going to open in Excel. Couple clicks. Okay, I'm in. So this is the desktop version of Microsoft Excel. And when I hit the insert button, you see I have a lot more choices. I am interested in inserting a text box over here. If I click on it, the little symbol is here. I just click and drag and I can make whatever size text box I'm interested in. Even if I need more room afterwards, it's very resizable, pretty user-friendly. So all I have to do is click and start typing. That's it. It's as simple as that. And just like all of the other fonts that we edited in the workbook itself, we can go through in the home page, we can change font style, we can change size, we can bold, we can underline. There's a lot of things that you can do to customize. I'd also like to show you how to share your file and your work to Ms. Roberts, myself, and your science project partner if you're working with a partner. So I'm still here on the online version. I'm just going to click Save to make sure that everything is A-OK here. Everything is uploaded to SharePoint. Okay, so I'm just going to exit that and hit Resume Editing here on the online version. You see all the changes have been updated. I'm seeing what I was seeing on my desktop version on the online version. So if I want to share and I already have my document open, all I have to do is go over to this button that says Share. Click it. And I see that I can send a link. So I don't need to know email address right away. Let's say I want to share this with Ms. Roberts. I will start writing in Roberts. And it'll search our network from the school. Ms. Roberts is Melissa M. Roberts' teacher. So I put that there. That's going to be shared with her. Let's say I also want to share it with Mrs. McElwee. Just showing you what it looks like. So mine will show up as well. You can share it. If you would like to type a message, you can. You don't have to. If I'm done choosing who I want to share this with, all I need to do is click Send. When it sends the link, it sends an email to the recipient. They can also access their files through Office 365. They just click the Shared with Me tab. I'll show you where that is. Right here, Shared. There's Shared with Me and Shared by Me. And it'll show up here. Thanks for watching.